Welcome. If you want to start receiving push notifications for Facebook comments on your PC, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable push notifications for Facebook comments using the latest update. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your homepage, you're ready to go. Now click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, click on your name to go directly to your profile. Next, to access your settings, click the small downward arrow in the top right corner once again. A menu will appear, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see Notifications and click on it. This is where you can manage all your Facebook notifications. In the Notifications section, look for the Comments category. This is where Facebook controls notifications related to comments on your posts. To enable push notifications, simply find the option that says Push under the Comments section. All you need to do is select the Push option. Once you do that, Facebook will send you push notifications directly to your desktop whenever someone comments on your posts or replies to your comments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled push notifications for Facebook comments. Now you'll be instantly notified whenever there's activity on your posts, without having to constantly check Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and updates. Thanks for watching.